Here are 5 things that I wouldn't do if I were trying to conceive. I'm a licensed fertility acupuncturist with over 15 years of experience helping thousands of women around the world with difficult cases successfully get pregnant and have babies. So here are the 5 things that I wouldn't do if I wanted to get pregnant. Number 1, I wouldn't just take my Western diagnosis at face value, especially if it's about your age or egg quality. 2, I wouldn't rush into fertility treatments without first understanding my fertility diagnosis from a Chinese medicine perspective. 3, I wouldn't let others make decisions for me. I'd learn about my body and my fertility imbalance from a Chinese medicine perspective so that I could play a key role in influencing my fertility outcome. 4, I wouldn't rely solely on doctors or healthcare practitioners. I live with my body every day, so I should be an active participant, not a passive passenger. 5, I wouldn't just hope for a positive pregnancy test each month without a system to track my fertility and measure progress. These are the steps that I would take, and they're the steps that I teach in my course,